Do you remember the hack I gave you for to stop your hiccup?
Oh my gosh, it was like magic. Stopped right away.
That thing is amazing. So all you do is you take a breath as big as possible because your hiccup is made by your diaphragm going like this kind of. So what you do is inhale as much as possible, stretches the diaphragm to the max, and you hold your breath until you can't at all hold it for your life. If your life depends on it, okay? I promise you, one shot is done.